This discussion class is based on an article, but it's about discussion and kind of debating and agreeing and disagreeing. So there's going to be one challenge I can foresee coming, is that students are going to want to know the content of the article, and they're going to go through, like a lot of instructors do, paragraph by paragraph, understanding this expression, or what does this mean, or how to use. Unfortunately, that's not really the crux of this lesson in this class. So, you know, of course, briefly go over the article, and if your article is very long, say like one full A4 or even two full A4 pages, you might have to not even talk about the article that much. But what you want to do is you want to start the class and you want to tell them, listen, I just want to remind everyone, this class is not about understanding this article well and discussing this article. This class is about using this article as a base, pulling vocabulary out of it, and then having our own discussions with the same topic, using these vocab. Okay, so that's how you set it up for them. So in the beginning of the lesson, you could say, okay, what interesting words did you find in this article? And when they give you those words, I want you to whiteboard them and put them up on the whiteboard. And you know, if you have 4 students, you know, try maybe 2 or 3 or 4 words from each student. And then you're going to have some of your own words that you found in the article that you want to make sure they use. Remember, when you put up the words, or even if they give you the words, we're not looking for like the most difficult word. For example, let's say recidivism came out in the article. That's not even a word I want them to practice. That's so far from anything they're going to be talking about and being able to use. I'd rather like them to launch a new product, to put that launch and product together. I mean, something like that would be much more functional. So list up the words that they say, and then go ahead and you know, throw on a few more. Maybe you can get a total like 15 words on the whiteboard, and then you'll pair them up in the activities that we've prepared. And if the activity doesn't seem good, just make it a pro-con. For example, if the article is about globalization, boom. You two, you think we're globalizing too fast in many respects, and you two, we've got to go faster and do it more. Give you a few minutes to prepare, discuss. You guys can discuss your thoughts on why we're doing it too fast, what are the dangers, and then you two prepare why we should go faster. Then one by one, you two over here, hey, you two, come sit over here. Okay, you guys have 10 minutes to discuss this. The people that are against it, go first. And then you let them go, you sit here, take notes. You know, 10 minutes, and let it roll if it's going well, that's fine. Okay, you guys got 1 minute left, 1 minute, come wrap it up. After they finish, hey, who won the debate? Haha, you know, kind of like that. Okay, here's some things I heard. Everyone, go back to your seats. Here's some things that I heard. You know, a lot of people said, and this expression, I heard several of you try to use it, but it didn't. You know, you said to lunch the product. Pronunciation was good, or lunch new idea. You know, so you know, you just give them all feedback. Make sure if they're not taking notes, I'm really sorry, but just take notes. These are really good for you. And kind of give it a little shot. So that's how the lesson will kind of flow.